Hi! In front of me is MEDIATEK KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can rename this tablet. First of all, go into Settings and click on Bluetooth. Now you need to click on the switcher to activate it if it's not already on and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here select Rename this device and type wherever you wish to. When you're done, tap on Rename. As you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!